In this video, I will be showing you how to fix the something went wrong error with ChatGPT. Let's get started. First, I open my Google Chrome browser, type ChatGPT into the search bar, and hit enter. I click on the main link to open the website. Sometimes when the page loads, you might find that the chat box isn't responding, or you receive an error message when trying to type a prompt. To fix this, I move my mouse up to the top right corner of the browser and click on the three vertical dots to open the menu. From this list, I scroll down and click on Settings. Now, over on the left side of the screen, I click on Privacy and Security. From here, I click on the option that says Delete Browsing Data. When the pop-up menu appears, I click the time range drop-down and select All Time. I make sure the checkboxes for browsing history, cookies, and other site data, and cached images and files are all selected. Then, I click the blue Delete Data button. Clearing out this old data often resolves loading issues. Next, I go back to the ChatGPT tab. If it is still not working, browser extensions might be causing the interference. I click the puzzle piece icon in the top right corner of the browser and select Manage Extensions. On this page, I can review my installed extensions. I check to see if any security tools, ad blockers, or VPNs are active, as toggling these off can often fix connection problems with the site. I head back to the ChatGPT tab one more time. If you are still experiencing issues after clearing your data and checking your extensions, trying a completely different browser is a great solution. I click my Windows Start button at the bottom of the screen, type in Edge, and open the Microsoft Edge browser. I click on the address bar at the top, type in chatgpt.com, and press Enter. Opening the site in a fresh browser bypasses any lingering background issues. As the page loads, you can see that the chat interface is fully responsive and ready for me to use. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.